first day of high school.
Eating lunch alone. Okay, it's a bit of a cliche, but high school can be tough, and no one prepares you for how different it is.
And yet everyone tells me that school days are the best days of your life.
But I think they're in primary school.
Primary school.
Take.
Okay, primary sevens. Who's excited about going up to try high school next week?
Me!
Hands up. What are you excited about?
I'm excited about making new friends, but I'm sad because none of my friends from here are going to the same high school as me.
I'm sure you make lots of new friends.
My brother said the food in high school is awesome, and you get to eat chips every single day. Every day.
What about you?
I'm really looking forward to learning new things and choosing my subjects.
Oh, and what are you most looking forward to?
Science.
That was my favourite too.
I'm not sure. It looks really big up there. I might get lost.
There'll be plenty of people there to help you with that. What about you?
Well, my sister went there. She was really popular, and I went to have lots of friends like her.
Lovely. Laura, what about you?
Everyone's so tall.
You grow. Does anybody else have any more questions about going up to high school?
Me.
Oh, is that the time? Well, best of luck at high school, everyone.
Are you nearly ready? You're going to be late for your first day at school.
I'm ready.
Ready.
Ready, ready,
Ready.
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 The bus is late. Great start to day one.
Where is she? She said she'd meet me at the gates.
Everyone has friends already. I don't know anyone.
I recognise lots of people.
I felt so ready this morning. Now I'm not so sure.
I was so confident on my new stationery, all ready for a fresh start. Not now.
What's the big deal? It's only high school.
Okay, class, welcome to your first day. My job is to help you make friends and feel comfortable. This will be your registration class for the rest of your time here. Now pick a partner and get to know as much as you can about each other because you're going to tell the rest of the class shortly.
Do you want to be my partner?
I guess. Yeah, sure.
I'm Beth.
I'm Charlie.
What's your favourite animal?
Cats.
Oh, I'm more of a dog person.
What kind of music do you like?
I love One Direction.
Oh, they're so cheesy.
Favourite colour?
Red.
No way, me too!
OMG, we're so good at best friends.
We're like twins.
Girls, why are you laughing? Do you find my class funny?
No, miss.
I asked you to make friends, not start a comedy club. Now you can go first.
This is Charlie.
Speak louder. You're not in primary school anymore. Project.
This is Charlie. She likes cats, doesn't like One Direction, and her favourite colour is red.
This is Beth. She likes dogs, loves One Direction, and her favourite colour is red too.
Good. Now don't laugh at my class again.
Okay, class. Now that you're in high school, you're expected to look after yourself. And what you eat is a big part of that. So today we're going to start by making a simple fruit salad.
Isn't that just chopped up fruit?
Excuse me?
Sorry, miss, but isn't that just chopped up fruit? I mean, surely we can all do that by now.
Oh, I see. You have a note. Detention. Now, as I was saying, today we're going to be making a fruit salad, which is an excellent way of getting some of your fibre in. Yes?
Miss, what's the eat well plate?
An excellent question. The Eat Well plate helps us get the balance right and highlights the different types of food that make up our diet. Let's do an exercise. What did you all have for dinner last night?
I had chicken nuggets with chips and beans.
Disgusting. Processed nonsense, complex carbohydrates and sugar-filled protein. You?
Chicken and vegetables and rice.
Better? What kind of rice?
White.
So close, but white rice is not as good for you as whole grain.
I just had a pot noodle.
Class, what you need to know about diet is it affects every aspect of your life. If you keep on going like this, you will all die young.
We're eating white rice instead of brown.
Do not underestimate the Eat Well plate. I hope you will all make informed choices this lunchtime. Aye, what do you want?
A salad, please.
With what?
What do you mean?
Can't salad on its own. It's just lettuce and tomato, not a real salad. They give it beside burgers usually.
Okay, sure.
What's the special?
Pizza, pepperoni,
Anything else?
chicken nuggets, chops and beans.
Anything healthy?
What are you trying to say?
Nothing, sounds lovely.
How do they expect us to eat healthy when things on the menu are things they're teaching us not to eat?
I don't know, school's confusing.
What would you like to be when you grow up? Come on, you must have thought about it a bit. It's not long before you have to choose your subjects.
Psychology sounds interesting.
Maybe something to do with science? I've always wanted to be a florist, but I don't think they earn much.
I want to be an astronaut. My parents want me to be a doctor.
A history teacher, you get good holidays.
I would love to be an artist.
Second year.
Okay, it's time to choose your subjects. Just remember, this is going to shape the rest of your lives. Choose carefully. Do you know what you want to be yet?
What? I can't take drama and music.
Who would want to? That stuff's just for fun. Take something academic. I'm taking all 3 sciences.
Yes, I could eat history and French.
Are you sure you want to take that one? Oh, that one isn't your strongest subject.
My options are pretty boring. Finally, I can drop PE.
It's worked out just as I hoped.
The columns are so messed up. I can't figure out what to take while I learn. This will just have to do.
Done. Done.
Done.
Done. Done.
Done.
Done.
Third year.
So, do you like any boys at school? Not really, just try to pass stuff right now.
Yeah, right. Come on, spill.
No, honestly, all the guys in my year are girls.
Yeah, I get what you mean. My year's so immature.
Hey girls, can we have a wee chat? Maybe turn off the TV?
Yeah, sure. What's up? Look, I know you're both in high school now and have a lot more homework to read on and other things to do too. Look, your dad and I just want you to know that we're here and you can always come and talk to us if you need help or advice or anything. We're here. Even if it's just help with your homework. Thanks, Mum. That means a lot.
Yeah, thanks, Mom.
Okay, I better get back to dinner. Do you have a pen I can borrow? Yeah, sure.
Guys, maths. It says it's just so boring. It's like maths in disguise.
Godzilla.
I like it sometimes. I can help if you want.
Oh, brilliant, you're a star.
Tell your friend to shut up. She's a loser.
Excuse me? Me? I am not a loser. Who do you think you're calling a loser?
Only a loser would argue back. Watch yourself, geek.
Why does she hate me so much?
I don't know, but you do know it won't be a bad sign for her.
Agreed, some people are just plain nasty.
Hey girls, have you finished all your homework?
Yep, all done.
Are you pudding?
You get to feel satisfied that you've done everything you're meant to do and relax after dinner.
That's rubbish.
Mum, you know how you said that we could come to you? I can't really tell.
What is it? Is someone picking on you? Is it a teacher or a student?
No, nothing like that. I just need help with my homework.
Oh, okay, no problem. What is it?
Maths. Oh, I'm rubbish at maths.
I'm sure you're not. But what are you working on?
Algebra. I can't find x.
But what is it having difficulty exactly?
X is a letter, not a number.
You can't be serious. Your sister picked this up, no problem. Look, I have to finish dinner. Ask your sister.
But you said you would... Here, I'll help. So,
X is a variable, so you don't have to. X is a variable, so that means it can be different things, and it's a symbol, and we use symbols in math, so you don't have to worry about it being a letter. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah. Thanks for helping me, by the way. That was embarrassing.
That's fine. Here, I'll help you work out.
So, girls, how's school?
Great, thanks, Mum.
No, it wasn't.
Just tell her what happened.
Shut up. Pardon?
Nothing, Mum. We're just saying how easy it was today.
Well, that's good. It's good that you three have each other. I mean, it's nice to have friends.
Yeah, we're lucky. Not everyone is so nice, though.
What?
Nothing, Mum. What's for dinner?
Well, I wasn't expecting so many of you, but I have some mac and cheese and I'm sure it'll go around.
Oh, great, my favourite.
I'll just get them now.
Why don't you just tell her what happened?
She could phone us Joe.
Don't be stupid, it's fine. What would they do anyway? I don't want her to worry.
Fresh from the oven. Girls?
Smells amazing.
Helena has something to tell you.
Shut up!
Girls, what's going on?
Nothing, Mum! Stop invading my privacy!
Fourth year.
Exams.
Time's up. So what do you want to be when you grow up? Still the same thing?
I'm not sure. I just hope I pass my exams. Maybe something to do with science? I guess florist isn't a good career. I'm not sure now. I failed my exams. Being an astronaut is probably out the window. My parents still want me to be a doctor.
I still want the holidays of history teacher.
My careers advisor said being an artist isn't a real job. Still want to be one though.
Exam results.
Fifth year. More exams, more pressure.
Watch where you're going, geek. Oh, at least I'm a geek, not stupid.
Stupid?
Why did you just call her stupid? Why did you do it? Why are you doing this? You're just sad.
Guys, leave me alone!
She called me a geek. She called me fun. She called me ugly. She called me a freak. She called me a loner.
She called me a TP.
She called me stupid.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Happy. A mother.
Intelligent.
Successful.
Accepted. Extraordinary. Loved.
10 years later. Welcome to the 10-year reunion.
Thank you. You did an excellent job of organising it.
Thank you.
I know 10 years is such a long time.
I know.
Oh, hi.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Nice to see you.
10 years.
Oh my god, I know.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome.
Hi.
You remember Beth, right?
Hi.
Hi. Hope everyone can make it. Hi. Thanks so much for organising this.
Oh my gosh, hi! Hi!
Hi, it's been 10 years! Hi. Thanks for organising. Well, welcome everyone to the 10-year reunion. I thought we could sit down, have a chat, and tell everyone what we've been doing these last many years. Why don't you go first?
Well, I'm a florist. I have a shop, an online shop. Yeah. Well, now I'm a psychologist, and I feel like I'm finally being listened to.
Are you the one doing the listening? I own my own business.
Really? I
Yeah.
own my own business too. What do you do?
Well, it's kind of on a standstill at the moment because I just had my third child, so...
Congratulations.
That's great.
Was it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Well, I own my own business and I'm happily engaged.
Congratulations.
Lovely.
Yeah, he proposed on holiday. Barbados. Lovely.
What about you?
I went to Imperial and now I'm a marine biologist.
Oh, I know somebody who's a marine.
Not quite the same thing, but interesting.
What about you?
Well, I'm sort of in between jobs at the moment. You can skip me.
Oh, I'm a history teacher.
And I'm on holiday. Well, this was great, really, but I should be going. I will
so soon.
contact you all.
Actually, yeah, me too, you know. Kids, business,
Yeah.
jobs.
Busy.
See you later.
Well, it looks like I should go then. Well, enjoy yourselves.
Bye. Well, I best be off getting to work. It's not really work. Best be making tracks then.
That's fair enough, I'll just go.
Yeah, well, that is a big thing. Some things never change. Maybe high school is the best time of your life.
Well done, guys. All right, let's have family's nuts. Set it up.